aren't these bodily desires that you just mentioned?
Ever told that to your girlfriend? My love is just a bodily desire.
What should be worth my attention? Should my career be the center of my attention?
Your own life has to be the center of your attention. Nothing else can be the center. Look at your room, your relationships, your friend circle, your relationship with your books, your education, your emotions, your urges.
Sir, so I also wanted to ask that what should be worth my attention and what should not be. So, suppose, let's say that I am working towards a monetary goal that I want to become, let's say, I want to become a doctor for to earn money, to earn a lot of money. So, should my career be the center of my attention, or is it also a small thing?
Irrespective of what you say or claim, each one has to live for himself. Therefore, your own life has to be the center of your attention. Nothing else can be the center. Even if you try to or pretend to, your life will be the center of your attention. Look at how things are for you. Look at your room, your relationships, your friend circle, your relationship with your books, your education, your relationship with nationalism and religion, your emotions, your urges. That's what you have to look at. What else? Will you get into his life? You can't. Only your own life is available to you. So that's what you will get into.
Sir, but aren't these bodily desires that you just mentioned?
Hmm?
Aren't these that the
So do
things
you
that
say these are bodily desires? Ever told that to your girlfriend? My love is just a bodily desire. Here, in this field of attention, you can see and confess these are just bodily phenomena. But otherwise, your entire day, you keep claiming ownership, don't you? I like this, I don't like this, I love that leader, I love that actor. Do you then acknowledge that this is nothing but the inner algorithm operating? Especially when it comes to things like relationships. Would you ever confess that it is just chemicals, nothing more? Then you want to give it a divine color. No? Or the relationship, let's say, between the mother and the kid. Would you ever confess that this is just a common mammalian thing? The mother has to breastfeed the baby and there is a certain biological attachment. There is nothing holy or divine about it.
सर तो
बचा क्या?
नहीं, मुझे ये पूछना था कि let's say getting money is a bodily desire. So should I be working towards it or should I not?
You first of all see that it is nothing but the old animal in function. Don't ask me shoulds. I have no shoulds to give you. Should is something you should neither give nor take. That's the only should. Huh? You should not give should and you should not take should. That's the only should. See for yourself where all this is coming from, and then the decision gets made on its own. As we said, spontaneously. It's clear, lucid. You just say, now I see. What do you say? Now I see.
Okay, I'll just take this one last question that
God is benevolent. Did you see? There are so many of us here, but he looked only towards God. Because this is the God of desire. If he'll project his desire and God cannot even nod. God will sit like this and he'll say, now I'll take one more 10th last question. Yes.
Sir, how do I know that what I'm doing is मतलब लेट्स से हिंदी में कि वो काम सही है या नहीं, ये कैसे पता
ये
चलता
आपको
है?
नहीं जानना है कि सही है कि नहीं, वो काम क्या है आपको ये जानना है. सही गलत तुम्हें क्या पता, तुम्हें तो पता भी नहीं है तुम कर क्या रहे हो. तुम कह रहे हो सही है कि नहीं है, मैं पूछ रहा हूं किस चीज को पूछ रहे हो सही है कि नहीं है. हमारा तो ऐसा है कि ये माइक मुझको दिखाओ और पूछो कि ये भुट्टा सही है कि नहीं खाने के लिए. गलत सवाल का कोई सही जवाब हो सकता है? आप इसको क्या समझ रहे हो? भुट्टा जानते हो ना क्या होता है? भुट्टा कह रहे हैं ये जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड भुट्टा नया आया है मार्केट में काले रंग का, ये सही है कि नहीं? तो आपने तो मेरा जवाब देने का हक भी छीन लिया. आप बस यही पूछ रहे हो कि या तो बोल दो सही है या बोल दो सही नहीं है. ये पूछो ये है क्या चबाने से पहले. You cannot grant him that wish. Only he can.
सर मतलब पहले कि जानो कि क्या कर रहे हो, उसके बाद डिसाइड करना है कि
तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम्हें जानना है. डिसीजन अपने आप हो जाएगा. तुम्हें एक बात बताओ, तुम्हें पता चल गया है भुट्टा नहीं है, तुम अभी भी चबाओगे? तुम डिसाइड करोगे, तुम कहोगे अब मुझे अभी अभी पता चल गया, नाउ आई सी व्हाट इट इज, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टिल हैव टू डिसाइड. वुड देयर स्टिल बी अ नीड टू डिसाइड, or has the decision been made? So knowing makes deciding redundant. In knowing, there is no specific role for deciding. You need to decide because you remain confused. You remain confused because you first of all don't even know the options you have. And that's why so much effort is put in making decisions. And even after that, you remain confused and doubtful. Have I made the right choice?
सर तो वो जानते कैसे? हाउ डू आई नो व्हाट दैट?
Look at your teeth, how they are feeling after chewing at it. Your own experience will tell you. You think of it as bhutta, but ask your teeth what they are thinking of it as. I think, this one is my great friend. But 4 years of my life with him, and I look at my experience, and I have been put in cages. My time has been wasted. My mind has been corrupted. And I'll know the truth. But for that, I must not care so much for labels. If I've labeled him as a friend or a well-wisher or something, then I'll become blind to my own experience. But then, they remain mere devotees. The priest and the god, these two poor souls, they are here just to clap. Just download the Acharya Prashant app, and there you go to the community section, and you have live testimonials streaming in at the rate of one every 5 minutes. I'm seeing lives change in thousands, if not millions, every day in front of my own eyes. We are doing it.
Right.
We have actually done it.
Join the community of more than 2 lakh participants on the Acharya Prashant app. Your first month is completely free. You'll get full access to Geeta Mission. On the app, you will get regular live sessions, daily exclusive conversations with Acharya Prashant, access to the vibrant Geeta community, wisdom exams, curated news, audiobooks, quotes, and much more. Search Acharya Prashant on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download now.